Crows, mysterious, jet black, and incredibly clever. For centuries, humans have admired these birds for their cunning ways. But what if I told you their intelligence goes far beyond what we ever imagined? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of crows and exploring a mind-blowing discovery: their ability to understand recursion or cognitive skill once thought to be uniquely human. Let's start with a famous crow named Betty. Back in 2002, scientists at Oxford University watched in awe as she bent a piece of wire into a hook, using it to retrieve a piece of meat from a plastic tube. At the time, it seemed like a genius one-off moment. But later, research showed that Betty was part of a species, the new Caledonian crowsat, regularly makes tools in the wild. Crafting tools isn't a trick, it's part of their nature. New Caledonian crows, along with other members of the corvid family, like DH, ravens, and magpies, have evolved incredible cognitive abilities. Unlike humans, their brains don't have a neocortex. Instead, they possess densely packed neurons in a region called the pallium, which gives them similar mental prowess. Essentially, they've taken a completely different evolutionary path, yet achieved comparable intelligence to primates in many ways. Now, let's talk about recursion. What is it, in simple terms? Recursion is the process of embedding structures inside other, similar structures. It's a cornerstone of human language. Take the sentence, "The mouse, the cat, chased ran." Here, the cat chased is embedded inside the mouse ran. For decades, scientists believed recursion was a uniquely human trait, central to our language and cognition. But in recent studies, researchers tested whether animals could understand recursive sequences. Monkeys showed some ability, but they needed extra training. Then the researchers turned to crows, known for their problem-solving skills and intelligence. 2 crows were trained to peck pairs of brackets in a center-embedded recursive sequence. Amazingly, when presented with new symbols, the crows spontaneously arranged them correctly about 40% of the time, matching the performance of young children. And they did this without extra training, unlike the monkeys. These birds weren't just smart, they were grasping abstract patterns, an ability we once thought only humans could achieve. This discovery forces us to rethink intelligence. Humans and crows have very different brain structures, yet both can solve complex problems, plan for the future, and even understand recursion. This is called convergent evolution, different species developing similar skills independently. Crows' intelligence shows in other ways too. They can recognize human faces, remember who posed a threat, and even teach these lessons to other crows. They make and use tools, plan for future needs, and exhibit social behaviors that rival some primates. Their cleverness isn't just for survival, it's a reflection of an incredibly adaptable and analytical mind. So, the next time you see a crow perched on a tree or examining its surroundings, remember this: these birds are not just clever, they're brilliant. From bending wires to understanding abstract patterns, crows challenge our understanding of intelligence and remind us that the animal kingdom still holds countless surprises. Could it be that in the realm of cognition, humans aren't the only masters?